Hi, I hope you're doing great. I've created this quick video for you to actually see how you could import your Terraform file directly in Brainboard to automatically create your diagram and your Terraform code. Just a quick reminder on what is Brainboard. Brainboard is a solution that you might want to use to actually design, deploy, and manage your cloud infrastructure. Here in Brainboard, you have different ways to import either a file or an URL. You can choose GitLab, GitHub, Terraform files, and we're currently working on cloud providers import. So for today, I'm going to show you how to do that with a Terraform file. And I've chosen how to create an Azure virtual machine scale using Terraform and created my main.tf file that I'm going to import directly in Brainboard. I'm going to call it Azure virtual machine and give it a name, mine. And then Brainboard has automatically read the file and automatically generated my diagram and my Terraform code at the same time. Here, my diagram is live, meaning it's mine. I can do whatever I want with it. I can drag and drop resources, for example, like here. And what I like about Brainboard is that it has been able to detect all the interaction between resources and has been able to detect either my main parents and the cloud configuration inheritance. I click on add, and then I can see my ID card from mandatory field to optional one. As you can see, it's pretty easy, right? I go to deploy, and then my Terraform code has automatically been generated. So each time I modify my design of my diagram, my code is going to be directly updated. I hope this quick video helped you. If you have any question, do not hesitate to reach out to us, and have a great day.